So today, boys and girls, we're going to review how to multiply fractions. And we're just going to begin with our basic fraction by whole number. So let's say I take 2/3 times 4. In order to make 4 a fraction, I want it to remain 4. So I would put 4 over 1. And now I'm free to multiply straight across. So 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. And then I would divide. 8 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Once I subtract, that gives me 2/3. So 2 2/3 would be my answer. If I were to do that again, I could flip it and say 5 times 3/4. Again, any whole number, I just put over 1. Multiply straight across. And divide. 15 divided by 4 is 4. I'm sorry, that is 3, not 4. Let's see. It is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. So 3 3/4. Now, I go on and I multiply fraction by fraction. So 3/5 times 2/6. I just multiply straight across. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 6 is 30. I know that 30 divided by 6 is 5, so I can divide both of these by 6 in order to simplify. And 6 divided by 6 is 1. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So my final answer will be 1/5. My class and I learned about cross cancellation to help us with this. Just as a reminder, I'm sure most of you did. So let's say that I have 4/6 times 3/12. I know that 4 is a multiple, or 12 is a multiple of 4. 4 is a factor of 12. So I could say 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. I also know that 6 is a multiple of 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. And that would be my final answer. So today I'm going to leave you with a few problems to work out on your own, and then I will show you the answers in just a moment. I'll let you pause and work the problems out, and then do that before you work on your IXL. Okay, so if you want to pause the video here and work out your problems, that will be good. And when you come back, I will have the answers for you. Alright, so here we are. Hopefully you came up with these answers. I put my whole numbers over 1, and I multiply straight across. Please note also, I could have cross-canceled and said 3 is a factor of 6, so 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and got immediately to 1/2. Here I cannot cross-cancel. 4 and 3 are not multiples of each other. I cannot cross-cancel when I have a 1 as a common denominator. Or as a denominator or numerator. So 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. I do have to simplify by dividing and get 2 2/3. Here I'm able to cross cancel. And again, I can multiply straight across and skip down to my simplified answer. Same thing here. I can simplify 3 and 6 and get immediately to my simplified answer. Please be sure that you check for your IXL codes to complete your problems and refer back to the video if you need to.